On July 3rd, something beautiful happened in Goa's spiritual heartland. Auxiliary Bishop
Simão Fernandes
surprised many when he walked into a field at Rachel Seminary, not in his bishop's robes, but in simple shorts and a black t-shirt, ready to toil alongside farmers and seminarians. Just days later, a similar spirit of service was alive and thriving at Our Lady Mother of the Poor Church in Tilamola, Goa. For the second year in a row, the parish, led by Father Aldrin de Costa, Father Aidan Manuel Fernandez, and Father Denrich Clyde de Costa, organized a unique initiative, uniting the community in a celebration of ecology, faith, and tradition. On July 7th, students, teachers, parishioners, and villagers came together, not in the church pews, but in the muddy fields. A prayer led by Father Rosario Oliveira, parish priest of Say Cathedral, marked the beginning of a deeply spiritual and ecological act of worship. Students from Our Lady Mother of the Poor High School, Tilamola, and Immaculate Conception High School, Parota, learned from the hands of elders, embracing traditional farming techniques and discovering the sacredness of the soil. This effort, supported by the Diocesan Commission for Ecology, was about more than planting rice. It was about planting awareness, unity, and a shared love for God's creation. People often say they don't come to church, shared Father Aidan, but if we go to where the people are, and invite them to live out their faith in action, we see the church come alive. Father Aldrin added, our pastoral letter calls us to care for nature. In cultivating this field together, we live that call as a parish family. The day ended with a shared meal, but the memory of muddy feet and joyful hearts lingers on. This is church, not just in sanctuaries, but in fields, in fellowship, and in faithful action. May the example of Tilamola Goa inspire parishes everywhere to sow the seeds of ecological love, community care, and spiritual renewal.